Hello everyone, welcome back to the Joy Self Living channel. Today we are going to make a very exciting dish. As you can see on my hands, I have curry, a fish, a fresh fish, and I'm going to show you two ways of cooking of this fish. So go with me and let us learn together. Enough vinegar for making marination. I'm also going to add soy sauce. I'm going to blend it together. To add a little more of salt and some oil, and then I'll mix this with our fish and let it stay for some hours. If you have time, you can let it stay for overnight. I'm going to make some lines so that the marination will get in the fish. On the other side too. Now I'm going to make sure that this marination is get well inside the fish, especially here. You need to make sure that the marination gets inside well. Make sure your fish is well cleaned before you do the marination. And now I'm going to cover and let it sit for some hours before we continue. After preheating your oven for at least 10 minutes, now we are going to settle our temperature in 190 degrees centigrade, and then we are going to bake our marinated fish. So now I'm going to put my fish in the oven, stay for around 30 to 40 minutes, and our fish will be ready. So now we are going to check the temperature of our fish, if it's well done, and we are going to put our thermometer in the deepest part of the fish, which is just behind the head, upper the backbone. And our temperature for the fish to be well cooked, it has to be 145 degree Fahrenheit or 63 degrees centigrade. So let's check together. So you can see it's really almost 160, so this is even more than cooked. it is well done. This is the first way to make our fish, and our fish is well cooked. Grilled fish, you can have it as it is or with any other side dish of your choice. Now I'm going to show you the second way that you can make this more delicious. Let's go and cook together. Now we are going to start making our fish sauce. I'm going to sprinkle a little amount of oil. Now we are going to add our fish. Remember I told you we are going to do coconut fish, and our sauce is almost ready, the mixture of veggies. So I'm going to spice it up a little bit with soy sauce, and later I will add our coconut. Let's steam it for like 5 minutes before we put our coconut. Now I'm going to add my coconut. This is going to make this sauce so nice, and let it boil for a few minutes. Remember to put your temperature low, almost. I'm not going to cover it, but I'm just going to let it cook well before we are going to enjoy it. Actually, my cold this is how you do, because we don't want to turn our fish many times so that it will not break. So you do like this until the coconut gets into the fish. For almost 10 minutes will be enough. Make sure it's boiling very well so that the coconut will be you so much for being with me from the beginning of our video. And this is our final second dish, coconut fish. I hope you will enjoy it. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment, and share with your friend. Thank you. See you to the next video.